Another episode, another product. Hello everyone, in today's episode we are going to talk about Duvet Hog. But before that, make sure to subscribe while I jump on this cloud-like duvet. Okay, now let's get started. Starting with the packaging. It's not only 100% plastic free, made from recycled materials and fully recyclable, but it's also super duper awesome. Check this out. I mean, come on, who doesn't love neon pink? Is that like the best color or what? It's soft, comfy, fluffy, cushy, snuggly, squashy, but not feathery, because this duvet is made out of recycled PET plastic water bottles. That's why voted the most duck-friendly duvet by the Duke of Ducks. Wait. And that's not the only reason why this is an earth and duck-friendly duvet. The originals, as they call them, are all made in Eco Factory, which uses 100% renewable energy and produces zero waste. That's what I call sustainable. And last, because I'm afraid that this video might start to sound a little bit like an infomercial, this duvet is also ultra-breathable. Allergy-friendly, naturally resistant to mites, mold, and any nasty chemicals, and can be washed and tumble dried. Fun fact, or maybe not so fun. But the originals can be washed at 60 degrees and COVID-19 is destroyed at 56 degrees. See, you learned something new today. The simple things in life, like chilling with your duvet, you know. Did you bring some popcorns? No? And another thing which I really liked about this duvet and honestly found quite badass is this Lord of the Rings type of writing on the side of the duvet, which basically reminds you not to bin it in a few months' time, but instead to just wash it, thus saving yourself some money and also saving the original from ending up on the landfill. Pretty simple and very smart. Now let's read it. Please don't love me and leave me on the scrap heap. Think of the nights we spent together and the dreams we shared. A quick spin in the washer and I'll be just as irresistible as the day we met. How beautiful is that? But yeah, basically don't bin it, spin it. Okay, now let's talk about the price. If you think you can put a price tag on the feeling of sleeping on a cloud. The price of the original starts at £50 for the single summer worm, all the way to £90 for the Super King winter worm. Personally, I think that's a really good price for what you get. And you also get free shipping and returns, 30 nights risk-free trial, and 2-year guarantee. That's 730 nights. That's a lot. Okay guys, that was everything from me, Stefan Dimov and Project Caritas. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so I can sleep tight and dream sweet dreams. Good night from me.